On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone, welcome to Nan Hua Chinese lessons. On this channel, I'll be teaching you about nature as a whole. Nature refers to the appearance of the physical world and also life in general. The term nature is often referred to as natural environment, which includes wildlife, rocks, plants, the weather, and so on. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you about animals. The most popular animals in South Africa are the big five. After the end of this lesson, you will know how to say their names in Chinese language. Now, let's start. A lion is called 狮子. 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 An elephant is called 大象. 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 A buffalo is called 非洲水牛. 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 A rhino is called 犀牛. 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 A leopard is called 豹. 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 Now, let's review them. 狮子, 大象, 非洲水牛, 犀牛, 豹. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.